I'm quite hungry. Think I need to go to Taco Bell. Taxi! Taxi! Taxi!
Hello, sir. I'm afraid to inform you that this is not a taxi at all. This is Calc Cab. So, instead of me driving you places, now I'm going to drive you places, and you're going to answer math. Are you ready?
I don't know, sir. I don't know if I'm ready for this.
If you fail to answer all the questions correctly, you will never get to your destination.
Ay, ay, ay.
Let's go.
Let's go. Vámonos!
Alright, are you ready for your first question? We're at our first destination at Marlowe's Mexican car dealership.
I go to this place a lot, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Your first question is, what is 2 plus 2?
It is 4, sir! It is 4!
Yes.
Yes.
You have passed the first test.
Yes.
We're here at your second destination at Fairview Baptist Church. We're gonna have your second question. Are you ready? What is the square root of 16?
Think you try to trick me, sir? Is it 4 again?
Yes. You've
4 again?
You've answered the question.
Again?
Yes. Yes.
Alright.
Yes.
I'll go with it.
Alright. You have passed. Now you have many more questions to go. Here on Calc Cab. Alright. Are you ready for one of your last questions before we get to your destination?
Yes, sir.
Alright. The question is, what is a limit?
Okay.
Unusual to be loved by anyone. It's not unusual to have fun
4?
with anyone.
Hey, let's take a minute and meet Clark Kent, of Superman.
Chief, believe me, you're in for a treat just as soon as Jimmy gets back here.
Great Caesar's ghost. What's holding him up? You know I can't work without a good breakfast.
Chief, Jimmy's bringing a box of Kellogg's Sugar Smacks.
All the more reason for hurrying. Confound it, that boy knows I like those new Sugar Smacks.
And he knows I do, too. And that's a cinch.
Well, here I am. Young man, if you spill those new Sugar Smacks, you're fired.
Golly, Chief, I hadn't opened up the box yet. But I'm going to now.
Well, I guess we all agree on Sugar Smacks.
Right.
Folks, don't wait. Get Kellogg's new Sugar Smacks. They're better than ever. Puffs of wheat, sugar toasted, and candy sweet.
You know, I really want to go to Rice Fun. So, let me just call up a taxi. Hello? Can you pick me up where I'm at? Yeah, okay, thanks. Bye.
Welcome to Calculus Cab.
Oh my gosh!
Today, you'll be answering a series of questions to get to your final destination. If you answer them all correctly, you'll get to your destination alive. Well, we have reached our first checkpoint. Today, you're going to be answering a number of questions on limits. Limits.
¿Por qué?
So today's question, for your first question, is, what is the limit of x approaches 5 of this equation. Time is up. There.
The limit equals 10.
She's right. Whoa, you're good. Well, I guess we'll get to checkpoint number 2. Here on Calc Cab. Here we are at your second destination, Starbucks. Let's take a moment to look. Alright, that's enough. Alright, your next question is, what's the limit of x when x approaches 3 of this piece-wide equation? Go.
The limit does not exist.
She's right. Alright, here we are at your last destination before we get to your destination you want, which is Rice Fun. Here, we're at Outback. This is where Jason the Wild works. Alright, your question now is, what is the limit of when x approaches 0 of whatever this is? Go.
The limit equals -5.
She's right. Alright, are you ready for your last question?
Yeah.
Your last question for today's episode of Calc Cab is, what is a limit?
Let's see. I think a limit is the value at which any function approaches at any given x point. Yeah! I am the Master Commander!
And this concludes our daily episode of Calc Cab. Tune in next week when we start talking about what is an asymptote.
And now, our national anthem.